Sir, you're a genius. It's finally happened. We are completely out of ideas, and you know what that means? We're going to you. Yes, you. You leave it in the comments below. What am I going to try to kickflip? And I say try very advisedly, because I feel like you're gonna throw out some things that are just completely impossible. Episode number 1 starts right now with Aiden Cortez, 2 minutes ago, said, skate a shovel. Okay, Aiden Cortez, is that a challenge? So you guys leave it in the comments below right now what I should kickflip on. We'll choose the best comment that we like the most, or maybe the most liked comment, who knows? And we will do our very best to kickflip on it. This series is gonna go in 2 parts. One part is how do we actually make the build? Second part, kickflip challenge. So I hope they have a shovel here. Yeah, shovel. Pokemon. Good, how are you? So we were like, oh, where's the Home Depot? There isn't one near us. So where did we go? Ace, the friendly hardware place. Is that the slogan?
Yes, sir. The friendly hardware place.
Oh,
There's fiberglass handles down here.
Really sturdy ones. I like the sound of that.
These are maximum strength, all steel in the handle.
Maximum strength.
A little smaller.
Digging and planning.
Yes, sir.
That might be the ticket. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It feels really durable. It's not too heavy, so it'll flick easy.
So the question is, could we do a kickflip on this?
No. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it. Because you might get this in the face, and that will.
Think? Douche.
It might shave the nose down a little bit.
But if we, do you have U-bolts?
U-bolts, we do.
Let's check out your selection. Do you think we need the metal one now? Is this gonna break? You think we can kickflip on this? No questions asked. No. Wow. We might need to go outside and grab our trucks. That's not how far apart they are, right? Didn't I grab hardware, a set of hardware?
No,
Did I leave it there?
Yeah, you left it there. That's too big.
There's gotta be a way to make that work though, no? The thing that I'm looking at is the width here.
Just drill through the trucks.
Slight possibility.
We're on a quest to kickflip everything in the world.
Oh, wow.
You think we can do it?
I don't know, man. I mean, I'm not a professional at kickflipping. I've done it on a skateboard, but that's about it.
Well, you're one step ahead of us then. This is probably it.
For the trucks?
Yeah.
No, this one.
Are you sure?
Yeah. In terms of size or width?
The thicker the thing, the stronger will be to hold more heavy-duty stuff.
Yeah.
You know what we should do is grab a skateboard, and then we can just compare it, like right here. All right, we'll be right back.
You know it's called a wheelbarrow and not barrel?
Do you know that every time we say like any kind of thing like, hey, give us a trick to try in the comments, it's completely and utterly impossible.
Yeah.
So I cannot wait to see what people come up with. And then of course when we fake the trick, they go, oh, you faked it. I said, what? Yeah. What? Who'd have thought? Yeah, see that width? Width. Wheelbarrow.
Would you say this video is your ace in the hole?
Ace in the case. Your friendly hardware place.
Yeah.
Hattie.
Hello.
Might need to get a hat to boot.
Yes, we do.
So where'd that one go, a hat? Yeah, see, so the width,
Okay.
it's very close, but a little bit too thick. I mean, honestly, something like this, though, because you could just bend it, right?
What about the one on that far outside?
This?
Yeah. Oh, that's looking pretty good.
Nailed it.
That is looking pretty good.
So this is just a little bit too wide.
But if we make the truck holes bigger,
True. If we make the truck holes bigger.
then theoretically it would just fit.
Okay, let's check this, too. Oh, look at that.
Perfect.
Look at that. But then this is going to go like... Yeah, that's... Sir, you're a genius.
I don't claim to be that.
He has crowned you a genius.
It's too late. Let's see if we need these nuts, same Loctite.
You need lock nuts.
That's what I meant. Yes, sir. He's like, you need lock nuts.
We're going to test the nut first to see what size it is, so we don't get the wrong size. Okay, it's a 5/16. Okay, so we're going to need some 5/16 lock nuts, and you need 8 of them, right?
Yeah. I mean, are we sold on the shovel as well?
Maybe we should get the wood one.
They'll go turn a few times and they'll lock.
Oh,
Perfect. So yeah, we'll take 8 of those.
Maybe washer.
And then we're going to need a drill bit for this size.
5/16.
Okay, hold on to that. Let's go get some drill bits, guys.
I was just thinking to myself, I've never been helped this much at Home Depot.
Our goal is to help people all the time. No, people always say we're always more helpful than they are.
If it weren't for you, we'd be using that shovel to dig our own grave in this video.
And we will be later.
Okay, so y'all want 5/16 drill bit, right?
Yeah, for metal.
Metal.
But these are wood, metal, and PVC.
I like where you're going with that. Because Gabe, I'm thinking we put the trucks on this side and then pop here, or we put the trucks here and pop there, but then are you gonna be hitting the ground? You know what I'm saying? You got a little tail there.
Yeah.
As long as this thing don't break off.
I think you can even put some grip tape up top.
Oh no, we ain't. Come on. You're out of it?
So they're 5/16.
Everybody
Yeah,
wants
popular
5/16.
size.
Well, thanks. What's your name?
My name's Matt.
Good to meet you, Matt.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
Gonad picker. All right, let's go. Let's send it. Wow, so look at this. 20-pound sledgehammer to the middle of the 27-ply skateboard.
Oh, it's not breaking. I'll take bets.
Will you?
Yep.
This is some Texas only.
Try the root beer?
Yeah. You would not eat that.
No.
Thank you. You too. So good. This is gonna be champion. So we should place our bets now. How many tries to kickflip this shovel?
3.
First of all, we need to build it, and then we need to kickflip it. I'm pretty sure we got all the correct stuff to build it, which I'm really excited about. And then I'm gonna go with lucky 13 tries.
You think 13 is lucky, huh?
No.
Oh, it's my favorite number. All right. To the build.
Okay, let's build this. So we got our trucks right here. We got some of these U-bolts. Thank you. Shout out the guy at Ace Hardware, best guy ever. I really hope this works, Cruz, because if it doesn't, I don't know what else we can say
Or do.
or be. But if this does work, imagine how many things you could use with just this. A baseball bat, I mean, the possibilities are endless. It's the Gravedigger skateboard, like the WWE of skateboarding. Yeah, that's gonna be good, right?
Yeah.
Like so. Just slightly too big. Houston, we might have a problem. We might be here a while. What up? Just setting up a complete, you know?
Nice. Nice to meet you, man.
Good to meet you too. Just watch a master of his craft. I feel like we should do this outside out of respect for the mess we're about to create in the skate shop. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Just need to nice and slow. Think that did it?
Yeah, it's looking good.
Okay, let's check it. Very, very close. That's why I said half of the video is the build and trying to figure out all these little nuances. The other thing I'm worried about is once we get the hole big enough, is the actual nut going to fit on there? I gotta really space this out well. What I think I need to do is bore it more towards outside, you know what I mean? Should definitely be wearing safety glasses. Don't do this at home, kids. Close, it's getting close. Metal shards everywhere. Look through all his drill bits and see if he has a 5/16.
Found exactly what we need.
Oh, no way.
Dang.
So this one is,
Perfect.
this one is,
That one needs some more love. There you go. There you go.
Oh!
how satisfying was that?
So satisfying.
You ever get shards of metal in your eye? Doesn't that freak you out? All right.
All right, let's get to business.
All right, chill out, chill out.
You gonna take the bolt off? Or?
You got a wrench? We would need a wrench to plier it down the whole way. All right, we gotta give that a minute.
Look at that.
Ain't she a beauty?
Whoa, what's going on here?
What do you mean?
There you go.
I will say.
It's like, do you have a hammer? It's just not, this part's just not going down. We got lots of room in there. I mean, I guess it's okay like that.
If you're not making it to skate, you need one kickflip on it.
You gotta make it to skate to do a kickflip on it. Tell me I'm wrong. Leave it in the comments below. Now I see what's going on here.
The core message in all of this, Aaron, is that you just got to dig deep.
That you can kickflip. Anybody can kickflip. Look at that truck. It's so jacked. Here. And we got you. Oops. What happened to the window of the skate shop? Well, sir, Aaron Carr came and he was skating a shovel. We get banned from all of Texas. Oh, I guess that's as good as we're gonna get. See, this part will push down and then the truck will be kind of like wonk, but I don't think it even matters. I actually don't even think you would really even notice when you're on there. Well, I think that's it. Should we give it a wang danger? First try?
Shovel it.
I might be digging my own grave with this one.
Oh, that's good.
All right. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be a lot harder than we thought.
Really?
Yeah, where are you gonna flick? Right there?
Yeah.
And then it's gonna spin like this, and then you're gonna land on this.
I'm still going with my 3 tries.
Should we go inside or yeah?
Let's go inside.
All right, it's definitely on there pretty tight. This side's for sure solid. This might even dry up. We might even be able to skate. Don't call it a comeback. Okay, earlier it was totally wet over there. This side's all dry. Now this side's all wet. It's not making it easier, Gabe.
Nope. All right, it's been a long journey.
It's the test. I'm getting nervous. I was thinking, oh, kickflip shovel, no problem, I could do that. Now that we're here, scared. It does pop though, Cruz. See that?
Yeah.
Can I get one practice flick that doesn't count as a try?
No, I think you gotta go for it. What I would do is like SMS it, practice steps, you know?
Okay, where are you gonna flick though?
Oh, man.
See, that's not gonna spin it. I might need to flick it up there. Oh, that guy at Ace Hardware was right. This is going straight to my face.
I think you really gotta wait on the flick.
It's gotta be possible, right?
Oh, yep.
I just kept thinking, this is all I keep thinking is this shovel somehow is going like this, just into my shin. Just like goosh. What are we on? Try like 3?
3. So
Leave it in the
guess.
comments below how many tries.
I guess was wrong.
I said 13.
Next try.
You don't know how bad that hurt my toe. All right, Aaron. I need to visualize it. Hop, flick, and then what's freaky is when I'm gonna have to land like this. Ding! Okay. Houston? I mean, Dallas? We got a problem. Ah, yeah, good, like new. Did I land primo on a shovel just then?
I think so, yeah.
See, when you're learning how to skateboard, it's muscle memory. So you repeat this as many times as necessary. Now I built the muscle memory, now watch this. This is why Skateboarding Made Simple works.
That's gonna be tough still.
Right here. My life flashed before my eyes. That was scary.
It's looking really good though.
Maybe our build was slightly subpar. It doesn't matter. Okay, hold on. I'm flicking too hard. I'm doing 1.5. I need to ease off it just a little bit.
And float like a butterfly, sting like a bee.
Muhammad Ali, this is for you. Stop! Get out! I got one person clapping and another person went like that.
2 people did.
Okay then, don't call it a comeback. Okay, let's run it. That dang truck again.
Hey, just keep trucking on.
Okay, right here. I have no idea how many tries we're at. I think we're over 13. I think we were both wrong. Okay, right here. I'm gonna land this so good. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Come on!
That was good!
Yeah! You know what I think we need to do? We need to do it in slow-mo, and then we need to film just like the most epic, like over the top, like celebration sequence. What should we kickflip next? Leave it in the comments below.